This way. This is the long way. It's fucking 95 degrees, but in the shade you can't really tell at all. Thinking about flying my drone here, but there's a whole lot of trees, so I don't know. This is probably the shadiest part of the trail. And this spot's always muddy. I just hope I don't get bit by too many mosquitoes while I'm here. Tricky. This one. Alright, let me extend this pole a little bit. Let's see if we can get a better view. Probably need to cover. No, drop a mine. Muddy as hell over here. Wash these pants. So I had a knee injury, and this is really good for me. Just slowly walking up elevation. Good for my heart too, and my lungs. So getting some real fresh air out here. Just can't believe it. It's probably the hottest part of the day too, just about. So crazy that outside of this shade from the trees, it's like much hotter. So I'm not sure what I'm planning on doing, if I want to do the whole trail or what. There's a bunch of different ways I can go to, so let me check. This is a turning point. So it wants me to go upwards like this. All right. So this one. Yeah, I guess so. Let's try it. It says go this way and then loop left upwards. Okay, it's a sharp left to this upper part. Guess that's this. Okay. Keep trying to fight back the sweat, but it's pretty much pointless. Here's probably a good view. It seems like a really good spot to fly a drone to. There's space in between these trees. Let me see. Okay. Now let's tell us to take a little. Not sure where this is taking us now. No, we're nothing. I thought either. Dude, this phone is garbage. Great. Got some water on it. Okay. Que loco. El pollo loco. I'm dying here. Beautiful trail. This is most of Portland looked like before we got here. This was probably a crazy hunting ground before they made it into a trail. All types of weird animals probably lived in this forest. No, not so much. As far as the deer go. You would almost think it's later than it actually is. It's not that late. It's dark in here, so I'm gonna have to adjust the lighting on this video. Interesting little spot. Let's check it out a little bit. Almost a little trail that goes up there. Interesting. I just wonder why that one part of the trail at the bottom is always muddy. It's like never dry at all. But the rest of the trail seems pretty dry. Just that one muddy spot at the bottom is always muddy. Nice and soaked. Who needs a sauna when you got hyperhidrosis All I need to do is a little hike. Real good for your lung capacity and your endurance. So, who needs a gym membership? Just hit this trail. Oh no. They just, looks like they just fixed this part of the trail. Oh, big tree stump. So this whole part of the trail looks newish. Meanwhile, while I'm doing this little calm nature hike, people are in Los Angeles fighting the cops and whatever else, throwing rocks, getting shot at, all that. A lot more people should be doing shit like this. Get some little healthy exercise. I'm not overweight, but I'm out of shape. You can tell I'm out of shape by how hard I breathe, how much I sweat, and I guess the fact that I don't get out as much as I should. Should be doing one of these like every day, like long uphill hike. I just need to get a headband or some shit because I sweat way too much for this shit. Probably not a headband, maybe just like a washcloth bring with me. Going straight uphill. Now we're coming out of the shade. Looks like we're finally going back into the sunshine. That's when I'll really be sweating. Some 90-degree heat after coming out of the uphill trek. Craziness. These are my I wore my lightest clothes, my loosest clothes with the most breeze that were white, and I still don't help too much with the heat. That kind of just tells me I need more exercise and more sunlight, so I adapt to it more. And it's only 8 days into June, so got June, July, August, and parts of September to get some sunshine. Let me check where I am. Someone abandoned a scooter here. Okay. This is where I was headed, I guess. So now we're going down this way. I think I'll just go to this and then head back out. So I think that's across the street. Because I'm soaked. This is fun and all, but I am absolutely sweating my ass off. And my music ran out of signal, so I guess I'll put my headphones away. Before they fucking get too much sweat in them and just completely stop working. That would be pretty crazy. My headphones stop working because they got too much sweat in them. It's probably a thing that happens. People work out with their headphones on all the time. So it makes sense if they would just drown in short circuit. Anyways, since I'm ready to get out of here, I guess I'll walk a little faster for the rest of the trail. It actually went, this trail is not as long as I expected it to be. I mean, it's pretty long, but dog. think one of my goals might be like be able to do this hike with end up with no sweat on my shirt. Is that even possible? To have my endurance up so high that I don't sweat. Because I don't feel like my body's overheating that much, but I always sweat like I do, really like it is. So for whatever reason, my body thinks I can't handle this hike. They want to make me profusely sweat. But I'm almost to the end, pretty sure. I think I'm going up. Can't tell. So from this way, pretty much gonna cut back that way.